That's evidence on Sunday Papa Kulipa. So, Boga Parliament, a Bobby Timutua, Mobagas, I want to draw for. Mumu and Kwasiafwana. Kotodi and budget. Some people want to be treated at some year this year. Ghana, one is slave or Ghana. Some Kwasiasem, you'll see to Chasso. And then we have a member of parliament sitting in parliament to tell us that J.J. Rawlings is a murderer. Nibaba, a daughter of a murderer. Sakwasiano without Rawlings in Conti Parliament. Samuel Abujinapo made the statement. And you see, we are not done with this conversation. Bring him to tell us if he heard us, if he saw the person. You see, this cannot just go easily. We cannot just brush it away. No. The Speaker of Parliament that day was a former MP. And that speaker too needs to tell us who said that. Samuel Abujinapo, for now, he is the one who said it. And he has admitted that he said it. Now, if Samuel Abujinapo at a point has come out to say he did not say it, then he should tell us who said it. Afenyo Markin should turn around and tell us who said it. The speaker then, the former MP, what's his name? That guy who was presiding, the speaker of the day, the former MP, he needs to also tell us who made that statement in Parliament. Alban Bagman, also a fresh former MP, no? Sit in your seat and ask him at the floor of Parliament that you were the speaker who made that statement. The former MP on the presiding here on the tnaso so akwana ne sia shekurasini no sa esiama no ne sia hye no mumbusa ne say na otesro no who made that statement because he was listening to Afenyo and whatever came through the mic, he heard it. So I want the Speaker of Parliament Alban Bagman to summon the deputy speaker na otia konwom no esiama na sia hye ne say who made that statement. Now, Annoh Dompre, the silly, dirty boy. Tema assembly see no, osina oni parliament. And there, wakotna asempa. And you see, the journalists no, omono a problem in Ghana. Now, okotna asempa no, silly boy Annoh Dompre, they question him about sa statement away from parliament. Muntie, the Annoh Dompre kanye.
The demand on social media, ne say, Nipa Enra leak Mike eba our so kase obi a daughter of a murderer no. Yes, say Mokokos no should name that person. Agana for you.
Oh, you see,
obi ano obi a suspect say you no about a bit deny vehemently say you no.
Mina mini chamber.
Okay.
So na me was suspension.
Yes.
A general leader small me say me no more be that was working on that.
Asempa FM.
It's unfortunate say BBC PA. But you see okay, we say okay, you are justifying it. Me nimni pakro or cancer.
Okay.
I will never support obiso on kabisa, especially nipa ntiase. Now cancer, I will remind it when nipa ne pain. It's most unfortunate, but in our orders, so obi kasana wan can good microphone. It is not captured by the
by the Hansard.
The Hansard doesn't capture it. We will try. Say nipa na the person should show remorse. So can Bibi cannot wear your side. I don't know. Mimi, I can't imagine so people wear your side. I can't say. ABI came from the public gallery. I don't know. So unfortunate. And I'll pay one of the seniors on the other side. Eba me ho. When I catch him says, I comment, Anko ye. Into say betimi ehuni nipa kona na yeni nipa nkasa. Then behind the scenes, you find a way to deal with it. And I'm saying, open you share. I mean, ni chamber ho no. It is most unfortunate. It's a BBC.
But is it possible, say, through investigations,
well, if some call tape, no more G tape, no mutimi.
But we're not using any panic as a good mic. It will not be from the gallery. It should be from somebody within the plenary.
Well, he say if we are so minded to find the person, we'll be able to find him. But the meaning should say for your side.
Sir,
I'm not sure. I'm not saying that it's not possible.
Okay, but
I'm not sure. Say if for your side. Sometimes, if you will be a cousin. If you are sorry, no, if you are sorry, say sit down. Those things are there, but to the extent that the people cancer has no dear, the genie say if your side. As a whip, I know my people well.
From the other side, and so it will be strange for anybody to say that.
It could also come from the gallery.
Gallery and came out, sir.
Well,
we have microphones near.
Well, you can make that argument, but me the mean gene this say if you on your side.
Okay.
But sir, if we launch investigation here, who said if your side out? Yes, sir.
You are the caucus whip.
Yes.
would you take interest in launching an investigation?
Oh,
you're a part of leadership
of course.
of the caucus.
Before I even answer that question, Mr. just say, even on the quiet, I'm doing it. I don't need to say it on radio, but on the quiet, I'm doing it. Sometimes one of the things.
The journalist Busana say, as seminar about my engineer clearly no. Another press oh. As some dear entry now ono na oye caucus no whip no NPP side no. Or a short assembly free MPP ni ho na free eye nipa na mo be share proceedings no. Na journalist to video I share me hwe bi. You otiwo unhu se Afenyo Markin who obi otiwo on kwasi ade om di journalist ni yeni. The journalist is making the issue look like a simple issue. That is how they do it. You see, they speak behind the scenes and then they come out and treat a very important issue to say just a simple matter. Oh, so no some questions. Oh, now say ade tie no there. I say if you mic mo yet na kwasi ane to can say it could be say a free gallery or ebi obi na te ho na onye sure say a MPP ni na ono de onim say but you were not there from the beginning of the conversation. The fool sitting in front of you said no we need parliament. So why should we take his account? Why should we take another Dompre's account? And you the obi now was still one obi na nkeka kire wo obi wo parliament say oh papa ye murderer and ka betina ka kire say but the TN the I say if you must side ho these are straightforward. They made the statement. It you see omone journalists for no treaty important issues to you people no omo treating as a trivial issue. It is a national cathedral issue no. Billions of cities was put in the national cathedral. On Metina radio so they treat it as a normal conversation. Sikana mutugu national cathedral said no or sank a journalist should be mad about it. Tema MPP also Galamsey Ekunipa yes Excavators yes no area they treated Galamsey issue as a trivial issue. Oh, now say Galamsey they will be a the same will be better TV so Okota Kradia are being a worker at ECG and that it is supposed to be from down bottom or up bottom up. They treat it. And you see this matter, yan flip a coin no. Senka ye NDC ni bi and a what majority sign and make a statement when Calvin say this is how the conversation was going to go. Anka ahimfubia sorry at your press conference. I'm telling you. Me say Senka ye NDC ni bi conversation was going to go. Treat it. And you see this matter Excavators yes no area they treated Galamsey issue as a trivial issue. Oh, now say Galamsey they will be a the same will be better TV so Okota Kradia are being a worker at ECG and that it is supposed to be from down bottom or up bottom up. They treat it. And you see this matter yan flip a coin no. Senka ye NDC ni bi and a what majority sign and make a statement when Calvin say this is how the conversation was going to go. Anka ahimfubia sorry at your press conference. I'm telling you. Me say Senka ye NDC ni bi ena ebia subi MP kasa and I say swami MPB kasa and I say ebia yemfa say eye bantama MP ana swami MP kasa na obi ewo NDC fo mu kasa hey sit down party no a bafo akoto kromfo a ote party bafo akoto kowini bafo akoto okunipa. Do you think this was going to be a joke? No. Say NDC didn't make his statement free majority stand say example say Bantama MP kasa Swami MP kasa and I say NPP stronghold be MPB kasa na obia shout every NDC phone say Kawanutum bafo akoto the Bakum party. Yeah, we evidence okun. Oje Sanka, you better radio so edin common say. Do you think say the various account radio stations anti-fortitus no? Oje said they would have treated this like that. No, it would have been a mensia conversation. And Quebec say MP Chrono, yan fanembra kumasi mensia no meyano. Yan tiana ba you because I won crying. Yan manen free crying ma mensia. I am trying to let you understand how they are trying to treat this as a joke because it is coming from the NPP. You see, every time, say MPP di bonia, omoko asempa, na omuni obi atena behind the scenes. And then the last we catch your man kobna sante say, oya bema onka John Mahama asem, sika ankokogye no, anka meche the video. Omuni obi ni kotena se. Na omakasa obi sesia de we de aye de beden ya brena se. Also when de mebusa will say, ya ba wo de mention dan gina we so, gina ha se ni nkwan so. Wo gina ho eka another Dompre. One, he wasn't in parliament. Two, you all be asking the questions. When we say another Dompre says, so what about your leader? He was the one speaking, and he turned around to tell the person to shut up. Do you want to tell me your leader, Afenyo, did not see the person? What about the he also turned around to see the person speaking. So can't you ask these questions? But you know what they do? They want to treat it like a mere normal, simple story because a MPP for and a against you. Because men are metisa anymore. I can say another Dompre say you were not there. I'll play the video and say another Dompre. You see, your minority leader was the one speaking. He turned around to tell the person saying that to shut up. Do you want to tell me that the statement wasn't coming from your side? Why is the minority leader not telling Ghanaians that he saw the person or did not see the person? Why are you the one here to respond to that matter? Why is another Dompre Kwasia we are? Today, he does not deserve to be in parliament, be answering questions about Aseme Siya no Oniwo. Why should another Dompre be answering questions on this? Because or some stupid whip. But we saw people on radio, on TV. Why is it say the media, they are all moving away from Afenyo Markin? Afenyo Markin is the best person to tell us who the person was because he turned around and saw the person and instructed the person to keep quiet because he is speaking. Kobi Ochidakun turned around, saw the person and told the person to keep quiet because their boss was speaking. It is Samuel Abujina Posa and Noah. He was also sitting right behind Afenyo Markin. I don't know to mean can't any pakro can't ask them no. Now Kwasia we have better sempa catch say it's from the gallery. Now what from journalist we are boa. Who be where Jimmy? Now from who say one working kind of nyansa ubetumi akyerɛkyerɛ Ghana nsɛmu. Where Jimmy? Now papa na nkobi gina waka say, "Oh papa, or you would differ and come with questions this way." We have seen it. So why are we now posing the question to the minority leader? Because another Dompre Kwasia we no only he wasn't there. Why do we need another Dompre statement? Because indirectly another Dompre no Kwasia pay ya pam the free parliament. Intade na asem here. Omo mote wono. Afenyo Markin na okasa na odane ne ho no. Why no hu no so okasa? And Afenyo Markin be ka che se we hu obia. So Afenyo Markin say we hu obia de Samuel Abujina po ne ka asem no. So Samuel Abujina Apostle say, "Enyo no a, ono so person say we hu obi a." The statement was made by Samuel Abujina Apostle. Ono ne ka asem no. Won de omdi journalism ne ye. Won de omdi radio ne ye. Hwe, mameka bibi nchiro. Another Dompre kwatena ho no. This was the reason why he came on radio. And some of the kind nyina na nhia. This was the reason. Mameka asem nchiro. Time I suspended another Dompre. Other than suspending that day in Wamba radio so. After you suspended about 3 days, you recall your back no better radio. So I can say, it is because they wanted to whitewash the NPP of this crime. So that way, it is against our constitution. So that way, NPP, you know, send the offer NPP na oye penyini, oye hene, oye hima, oye sofo, oye kwasia. Because wo sa nipa no, ochina wuwa, ya beka se wo ohini way, oye kromfo. We two ni ahinia obedi no we ahinia na obedi no na go see ku to twene because that is what you people are encouraging, and that is what the NPP is encouraging today. Say nyom na more parliamentar say onya part of NPP o ya aboa. That is the NPP. Anytime I start a case me catch them say part way they have always seen obia onya NPP ni say oya aboa. That is the mentality. Omde asho mo matrim, e de asho mo maame ni mutrim, e de asho mo nuanu mutrim and the omaka 88. We need to nullify the party. I was say you good party no, you tutia party we manika 3. Now in 37 years or 38 years, 42 years no, now you start here for me something else to think about. Say where mu die be. But at this point, this group of termites, nipa mu nankan kwasiafo we cannot lead us. It's an insult for anybody to walk to the ballot and say, me kwa kotwa ma MPP. We are buaba. Now, papa na nkeka chen say, you can't parliament say he is a murderer. Wako school. Wabon woma. Wako ya campaign. We jina ni penim. Wasre omo. Omo se kone ko di juma maye. No wako jina parliament. Now, papa o di juma. edin bra to ho oko prison e kontokwa eje woman si wende kebi mami kebi wo no kwase bi ba sori ka kire wo se wo papa or ye wudifo. You think this is just a joke? That is the MPP for you. And this party, that is the mentality at that party. They never respected J.J. Rawlings. They never respected Kwame Nkrumah. They never respected Atamels. They have never respected John Mahama, because that is how they are made. They are animals. They are disease. To the extent say, so being MPP near onye nipa. Into a test con and that's how we MPP near we are kwasia. We are kwasia because papa at this point you should know the kind of party you are part of, no, or China yabaka just say papa or your monatufo, all because you are sharing an opinion against the party. No. This is a group you are not supposed to be part of. This party was built on tribalism. And your tribe, NPP, and your political party. The new patriotic party was a DND party way. So we are Ghana and you now join the party where you are not joining a political party. You are joining a tribal idea. Now, NDC ni bibe to regional parliament. Aka say, Bafo akoto o yini £700. Echechere MPP we no. Bafo akoto o ya monatuni o ya kronfo o ya wudifo. NDC ni betu makasa asem no parliament. Uni beso Ghana. And Quebecers we didi otumfo atem. They will move it from politics and bring it home. Then JJ Rawlings now, because of JJ Rawlings and the otumfo no. You people are insulting JJ Rawlings. We should keep quiet. Because of JJ Rawlings, the otumfo is recognized. Yeah. Because the Constitution recognizes otumfo because Obinama Constitution you need to get it. On Hinibia or Ghana, including me papa, it's recognized by the Constitution of Ghana because President in the buyer no my Constitution buyer and Hinibia recognizing of Ghana. It is a fact. Take it or leave it. Without due respect to Ohinia, any Ahima mo Ghana, without our Constitution, nobody is anybody. It's a then yet now as some way you say just a joke, and a journalist will sit on TV and say, hey, inti. We are sure a gallery in a free buy. Inti Sesiano, not yet it's what you some way say that MP needs to be expelled. I will say a permanent free parliament. The constituents or some much letter. Sir MP no or say speaker a now the constituency letter say we don't want this person as our dear member of parliament because Sani Pano Abujina po Samuel Abujina Pono to Abamano NDC phobia so to Abamano Ghana phobia munya NDC for to Aba Ghana phobia munya MPP for to Aba Ghana phobia recognizes our democracy who appreciate JJ Rawlings' effort no almost to Aba so Abujina po Samuel needs to be dealt with. You get what I mean? Inti sa wona fo no so sore nne na so mo so bowra parliament so mo ntia ase o mo de hye na mo gu nanim ase a mo gise betuma so ano say awona fo no and love for no tomorrow they get on a bus and they try to strike at parliament say ye ne de hye na oje Ghana si won because in Ghana awona fo na je Ghana democracy si won because ayo mo de hye e de fourth republic ba kwase bia de hye for republic ama e free fa kwase ampa yi so je ni oba e wan tumi afa democracy Kotoka Kwasiampenyi, Ultimatum democracy. All the coups we saw, none of these people were able to give us a constitution, a democratic dispensation. Inti awuna for so sorry say, Moody and Yadishiatem, because we appreciate Yadishia and that we need answers. No so bo parliament or a bo bitimutua. Mobega sound for it to draw for. Mumubi and Kwasiafuana. Kotodi and the budget. Some people want to be treated at some year this year. Ghana, when a slave or Ghana. Some Kwasiasem, you'll see a chuchaso. I will see a chuchaso because some kwasiasan are too much. Some kwasiasem we ni atena ho asososo ema ye di echema bedru hande and then we have a member of parliament sitting in parliament to tell us that JJ Rawlings is a murderer. Ne baba a daughter of a murderer. Sa kwasiano without Rawlings in Conte parliament. Samuel Abujinapo made the statement. And you see, we are not done with this conversation. This conversation, this is just the beginning. We are going to make Ghanaians understand, say, sa conversation way, say German our democracy is gone. This conversation needs to, We need to have this conversation. 2028, 2020, Sa video way, I will see a born every day on our shows. Every day I will play this video to remind Ghanaians of what the MPP. I will let Ghanaians always remember the kind of party MPP. This video should be on everybody's phone. We should remind ourselves, said this is a political party. They sat in parliament to tell us Yanni Ghana for said JJ Rollins obey democracy. No, he's a murderer. And the Baba a murderer. We need to remind the Ghanaian people. Man, this is a piece of shit I call a political party. I'm telling you, MPP. And I keep telling you, say Sanko Fowe, your mom with space in Ghana, I'm about say democracy, no. So I'm about say democracy there. Then we need to make sure we take care of them before they destroy democracy. Because when you're ready, so I'm about boy me actually man, because MPP MPs, no. Dudu anomo to us as we see no. So when you nyansa no protect your democracy, no pay asama. And some of them and come only up that I catch say when they can, but because the 88 pigs, they were sitting with the person who said it. They were all sitting with Abu Jinapo. They heard it. They laughed about it. Why is nobody from the minority telling us who did it? Because it is Samuel Abu Jinapo. Because they don't care. Ghana that is the mentality of this group of termites. In Kwasiafo when they also for almost 50 years, 60 years, and you're done with Kwasiafo. We need to nullify this party. I will see a good party way democratically. I will say every Ghanaian the team say, see my MPP space, our democracy will be gone. Because JJ Rollins Ukrankende say a giant one, and we know what they did to JJ Rollins before he died. Yatiano Mukuno. These are the same people who killed Rollins. The same MPP, they found a way to kill Rollins. Until today, so I'm at TV, so at the parliament, catch that will say. And yet, JJ Rollins is a murderer, and they have evidence. We need to understand, say, they have started. So, my MPP to me, Bima, you are done. The message I'm passing my NDC for Annoh to the other side. They saw whoever made that statement. The majority leader, you saw the person. We are going to come to your matter. You can't use diplomacy to lie to anybody in parliament. The NDC front, you people saw the person who made the statement. The NDC group in parliament, the majority side, you were watching Afenyo speak. You people saw the NDC leader in parliament. Mr. Ayaraga, you saw the person. Don't come and play diplomacy with this. I respect you a lot, but some person respect Andy Ochna. Sit there and don't release a statement. The majority caucus saw who said that. You cannot protect criminals, or else we will treat you all as criminals. I'm sending this message to the majority leader. You were sitting in the front. You were listening to Afenyo. You are a cool, collected person. You were paying attention. You saw the person who made the statement. You people cannot throw Zenato under the bus. You lie bad. You, the leader of the NDC group, Mr. Ayaraga, you saw the person who made the statement. Your chief whips who were with you, they saw the person who made the statement. Majority of you NDC MPs who were on the right, you saw the NPP person who made the statement. We are giving you till Monday. You need to release a statement because you know. Someone like Bujinapo, we know he did it. Someone like Bujinapo, he made the statement. We want you, the NDC, the leader of the NDC, Ayaraga, your respect from Monday. And I will say your respect, Mao, and I see any respect, Mao. We will dirty you. We will make Ghanaians understand, say, NDC now will lead, you are just a criminal as the NPP. Prove to Ghanaians that almost selected to protect their party and protect Ghana. I'm sending a simple, respectful message to the leader of the NDC in parliament. It's simple. You were sitting right in front of Afenyo. You were about 140 at that moment. You saw the person who made the statement. You people heard him. Do not pretend. And Ayaraga, don't pretend and act as if you didn't hear. We want the NDC majority caucus to release a statement and mention the person who made a statement, or else you people will not enjoy this government. You people will be treated as criminals in parliament. It's simple as that.